Good morning. I have a PSA if you're a mom that's about to give birth and everyone's telling you that the newborn stage is hard. They're liars. 3-year-olds are impossible. I am not having fun over here. I am barely surviving. My child just pooped in the shower, and instead of asking for me to come help her, she very nicely decided to try to clean it up herself. But in the midst of it, she smashed it all into my shower head. So now my shower head is in the trash can. And I'm fighting back tears because I know she was just trying to help. And she didn't want to tell me she pooped in the shower. And that's, I'm very overwhelmed right now. Okay, I need you to look down, okay? Look down at the ground. Look, no, keep your head up. Keep your head up.
My turn.
Hold on, baby. Mommy's gonna do it. Look at mommy. And then just look at your eyes down like this, like this. Look. Look at mommy, look. She looks down. Can you do that? Look down. Okay, ready? You gotta stay still. Hold on. Okay, other eye. Look at mommy. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let mommy take a picture. Look. Cheese. Look, it's got makeup on it. Okay, do mommy's eyelashes. You gotta go like this. No, not like that. You have to hold it like this. Look. Hold like this. Look. Let me show you. Like this. Here, you hold. Like this. Like this. There you go. Okay, now go to mommy's lashes. Sideways. Like this. Oh, yes. Thank you, baby. That's perfect. Okay, other eye. Oh, thank you. Does it look really good?
Yeah, my turn.
I already put them on for you. Okay.
Oh, Dizzy.
What, baby?
Put them on the Dizzy?
Huh? No, you can't put it on Dixie.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. You can only put it on humans who say yes. Can you say humans who say yes? Okay. This is my eyelashes before. This is my eyelashes after. Here's my before. Here is my after. Okay, so I got these BDO eyelashes off of TikTok Shop. I have been trying to find only your lips. Eyelashes that I can easily put on that don't fall blue. I have such a traumatic experience when it comes to those type of eyelashes. I don't even remember if I said good morning, but if I didn't, good morning. Today, Lily and I are home alone again. Oh, I did because Lily pooped in the shower and that's what I said. But anyways, I'm in a better mood now. Lily and I are outside and she is digging for dogs or something like that. I bought this from Aldi a while ago. And you like dig for the dogs that are in the clay.
Okay. Come on, Mommy.
You do it.
Okay.
Mommy's watching you. And you just keep digging. It's like digging for fossils. She had a dino one at one point, but this one's like doggies, so I'm gonna let her do this.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miss withdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Less ignoring, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit.
Now I have to clean all of this up, so wish me luck. Oh, thanks. Push it all on the ground.
A doggy is up.
Get down real quick. Good morning. We're actually watching the new Wish movie right now. It's out on Disney Plus now, so we're definitely watching it now that it's available. So far it's really cute. I don't really know why people don't like it, but I think it's cute. I'm gonna feed my sourdough starter, so I figured I would film it so you guys can see what I'm doing. I think it might be montage though, just because I don't know if this sound is copyright or not, but I guess this clip will tell me if it is or not. But if it is, then I can just refilm this clip. So anyways, I'm gonna discard, keep some in these little jars in case something happens. I have backup, and then feed him.